Hello everyone, welcome to Sabre Virtual Demo, our brief videos explaining different features of PrintVis and related products. In this video, let's look at how to create multiple job versions. So here we are at the Role Center, and imagine, as we often see, that a customer's come back on a quote that you've done previously and wants to see alternate versions of pricing. So maybe they want to change the number of pages, they want to change the quantity of a book. And so let's see how we would go about doing that. So I'm going to go in and look at my cases. And we'll just go with this one here, our brochure for summer, July. I'm going to open that case. And so we have our original quote for $12,500 of a 64-page book. Now, we need to create some options for a couple of extra quantities and possibly change the page count. So what we do is we go over here under the job processing menu and we see new version. So if we click that, it will create a copy. In this setting, it preloads it as an alternative because I'm going to have these as optional pricings. And let's change this quantity to 15,000. And you can see it's actually going ahead and recalculating, and I can see over here with my price, I now have a revised price. I can add another version. And let's say in this case, we want to do, let's go back and do our 12,500. And this time we're going to change it to a 48 page. And we'll create one more version. And with that one, we're going to change that to our 15,000 of a 48 page. And I now have my pricing done. So from here, I can go ahead and create a quote. And you can see I have all my versions of quoting 12,500, 15,000, my pages. And that's how we go about creating multiple versions. Thank you for watching our videos. Please follow our channel by clicking here or click here for more great videos. We look forward to seeing you next time.